Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to have a look at these Tekton hollow punch set. This was actually recommended to me by Amazon when I was ordering some gasket material, because I got to build a new gasket that's solid, doesn't have the holes. And they recommended that I get this hollow punch set, and I got some Tekton tools before, and they seem to be pretty good. So we're going to give those a try today when I get my gasket all drawn out. See how this is going to work out. This is a thick cardboard type plastic or cardboard. This is okay. Try to utilize this as much as I possibly can. Go around. Find the size we need, and I think it's this one. Yep, that's the one. So anytime you're gonna be using anything like this, you want to use it on a surface like a wood or plastic. If you use it on metal, you're gonna ruin it pretty quick. This way it'll dig into the wood because it's soft. You're not gonna dull it, but as you can see, the way it's designed, you're gonna cut and then it's gonna come through this section here. Find this out, punch it out, go to the next one. You seem to work out quite well. Well, that was pretty basic and it worked out good. Now, of course, all the little gasket material builds up in the punch. I'm using my pencil to try to push it out, but you need something a little bit more stronger to get them out a little bit easier. But as you can see, I created a gasket. Now I can finish assembling. So hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you in the next one.